let's look at proposition number 36 of book 7 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says to find the least number which three given numbers measure. We have looked at a previous proposition where we were finding the least number which two given numbers measure. So now we are talking of three numbers. Okay, let's see how we do that. A, B, C be the given numbers. First, we find D, LCM of A and B. And if D is also measured by C, that is, if C measures D, then we are done. We have found we have found a number which is measured by all the three numbers. Now we have to show that D is the least number which these three numbers measures. To show D is the least number measured by ABC, let E be the least number, that is E less than D. So we know AB measures E. Why? Because we assume that E is the least number measured by ABC. So naturally it would be measured by A and B. So which means the least number measured by AB also measures E. This is again one of the previous propositions. But D is the least number measured by AB. So since the least number measured by AB measures E, that means D also measures E. But that is not possible. Why? Because D is greater than E. So D cannot measure E. So we can say that D is the least number measured by A, B, and C. Here I have taken the three numbers as 3, 4, and 6. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, and 12 is also measured by 6. So LCM of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. Okay, that was one case. The second case is when C does not measure D. So let's look at that case. So here I have taken the numbers as 2, 4, and 5. So A is 2, B is 4, C is 5. So LCM of A and B would be 4. C is 5. So C does not measure D. So if C does not measure D, then what do you do in that case? So we find the LCM E of C and D. A and B measure D and D measures E. That means A and B also measure E. Since C also measures E, that means all the three numbers measure E. Now we have to show that this is the least number that is measured by A, B, and C. So again we assume the contrary. If E is not the least, let F less than E be the least number measured by A, B, and C. So let me bring in F again. You know the trick now. A and B measures F. D, since D is the least number measured by A and B, that means it also measures F. We have seen this and proved it in one of the previous propositions. So D measures F. C also measures F. So that means C and D measure F. So which means that the least number measured by C and D also measures F. And that least number is E. E measures F. Since E is the least number measured by C and D. But that is not possible since E is greater than F. So E cannot measure F. So we can say E is the least number measured by A, B, and C. And how we arrived at E? We took the LCM twice. We took the LCM of A and B to get D. Then we took the LCM of C and D, the third number, and the LCM of A and B. That is proposition number 36 of book 7 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.